Hello, my name is Nadine. I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes, and today's video is going to be 5 treat yourself items that you want to include in a kitchen renovation. So the first one I'm going to talk about, and I think I have talked about a gazillion times, is pull-out shelves. This is something that you can either order pre-made from Amazon and places like that, or you can have your carpenter custom make them for you. I can't stress enough, and like I said, I've talked about these in so many of my other videos because they're amazing. Pull-out shelves are great for organization. They're great for saving your back when you have to bend over that lower cabinet to get pots and pans and any of those things from there, no matter what age, especially if you're a senior citizen, those are great for you. Of course, inquire an extra cost, but they're definitely well worth it for organization purposes too. You can put them in your pantry, in your cabinets. They're amazing. The next thing I want to talk about is a KitchenAid stand mixer storage, and I'm going to insert a picture here so you can see it. A lot of people don't necessarily use KitchenAids, maybe one time a year when we have to make Christmas cookies, because for me, that's pretty much the only time that I ever use my KitchenAid is for a good 1 week of marathon cookie baking, and then it sits in my pantry and I never use it again. But lucky for you, if you have the ability to bake and do all of those things, lucky for you. If you're somebody that uses it on a regular basis, they have this amazing thing that you can get that kind of pulls up and you don't have to lug that huge thing around because, as you know, those are pretty heavy. So you can look into that too if you're a home baker that needs something like that. It's amazing. The next one is going to be pull-out spice racks. You can put these in many different areas of your kitchen depending on the design, and if you have a good carpenter, they can help you to kind of figure out where that goes, or if you have a designer, that's more important to figure out, do you want to have a pull-out spice rack maybe next to your vent hood? You can have one in a drawer by your range. They actually have them tall-wise that you can pull out that are lower next to the range here. So there's many different types of pull-out spice racks that you can get, but it's definitely well worth the investment as to not having a mess and spices everywhere in kind of a random cabinet, which I think for the majority of people, that's the case. So if you're working on a kitchen renovation, look into getting one of those, definitely, for sure. That's definitely important. And the other great thing that you can incorporate into your kitchen is a pop-up outlet station. Those are amazing, and I have some videos on those for some showrooms that I was in London if you want to take a look at those, and I can actually insert some pictures here so you can see. It's a little bit of an electrical cost, but definitely if you don't want to have cords and cables hanging all around your kitchen countertops and you don't want to see those, you can hide it, just push it down and it goes back into the counter, and those are amazing. So look into that one for sure. And the last one is an extra special, spectacular thing that I saw when I was in London in a showroom. And this is going to be a fixture that you can dispense 3 types of water. And that's going to be regular filtered water, boiling water, and sparkling water. Something I have absolutely never seen before being in this business as long as I have, but it's an extra special, amazing thing that especially if you're a tea drinker, that's great for that. You don't have to worry about heating up pots of water for tea. As we know, a lot of people like sparkling water, so you can have it at your disposal there. And then regular filtered water for yourself too. So these are some things that you should definitely treat yourself to if you're renovating your kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until then, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.